Hello everyone, and welcome back to Mr. Peter Channel, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Peter.
And I'm Lily. Hello, Peter, and hello to all our amazing listeners. It's always wonderful to be back with you.
It really is, and before we start, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, give this episode a like, and share it with your friends. Your support means a lot to us.
That's right. Okay, Peter, I'm so excited about today's topic. It's perfect for beginners.
Yes, today we're talking about how to learn English in a fun way and how simple daily habits can really help you improve.
That sounds great. So, what's your favorite fun way to learn English, Peter?
Honestly, watching English TV shows. It doesn't feel like studying. You're entertained and you learn.
I like that. I sometimes watch English movies, but I often worry I don't understand everything.
That's completely normal. You don't need to understand every word. The key is to understand the idea and enjoy the story.
True, but when I watch, I use subtitles in my language. Is that okay?
Of course, that's a great start. In fact, that's what I did at first. But later, I started using English subtitles, and that changed everything.
Really? Why is that better?
Because you see the words and hear them at the same time. It helps your brain connect the spelling, sound, and meaning together.
So if I see the word happy and hear it at the same time, it sticks better in my memory.
Exactly. And you start to notice pronunciation patterns, sentence rhythm, and even slang.
That makes sense. But sometimes it feels difficult. What should I do if I get tired or lost?
That's okay too. Just pause, take a short break, or rewind a few seconds. You can even watch short shows, like cartoons or sitcoms.
I love sitcoms. They're short and funny.
Perfect. They use natural English about everyday life. You'll hear real phrases like, "What's up?" or "Come on," not just, "Hello, how are you?" from textbooks.
That's true. So I can sound more natural?
Exactly. And another great idea is to write down new words. But here's an important tip. Don't try to remember everything.
Oh, good, because I always feel like I have to memorize all the new words.
No. Just choose 5 new words from each episode. 5 is enough.
Only 5?
Yes, it's simple, practical, and not overwhelming. You'll remember more that way.
That sounds easier. What should I do with those 5 words?
Write them in a notebook, look up their meanings, and then make short sentences.
Like, I'm happy today, or this movie is funny.
Exactly. Short, real sentences. That helps you use the words naturally.
And maybe I can try saying them out loud?
Perfect. Speaking them aloud improves your pronunciation and confidence.
Sometimes I feel shy speaking alone, though.
That's normal, but you can pretend you're the actor. Pause the show, repeat the sentence, and try to copy their tone.
Oh, like acting practice.
Exactly. Be a little dramatic. It's fun and great for learning.
I love that. So let me see if I understand your tips so far. Watch short English shows, use subtitles, pick 5 new words, and repeat sentences out loud.
You got it. That's the perfect summary.
But what if I don't have much time?
Then watch for just 10 minutes a day. The secret is consistency. A little every day is better than a lot once a week.
That's encouraging. 10 minutes I can do, even before bed.
Exactly. 10 minutes a day keeps your brain connected to English.
What about when I can't find easy shows? Some are too fast for me.
Then start with children's cartoons or Learners series on YouTube. The language is clearer. Once you feel more confident, move on to faster shows.
That's great advice. I think I'll start with Peppa Pig.
Excellent choice. The characters speak slowly and clearly.
I'll try that tonight. And maybe I'll keep a phrase notebook, too.
Brilliant! Write down phrases you like, that's amazing, or I can't believe it. These are what native speakers use.
I like that. It's like collecting little treasures of language.
Exactly. And one day, you'll surprise yourself. Those phrases will just come out naturally.
That would be amazing. Okay, Peter, thank you for these tips. I feel so motivated already.
You're welcome, Lily. You're doing great. Remember, enjoy the process and don't be afraid to make mistakes.
I'll remember that.
And that brings us to the end of part 1. If you're enjoying this lesson, please subscribe and share it with your friends who are learning English. Your support helps us keep creating more episodes.
Yes. Thank you for listening, everyone. Stay tuned for part 2. We'll continue with more fun and practical tips. Welcome back, everyone, to Mr. Peter channel. I'm Lily.
And I'm Peter. Thanks for joining us again for part 2 of our episode, Fun Ways to Learn English.
In part 1, we talked about watching English shows and using subtitles. Today, we'll practice those tips and share more ways to make English part of your life every day.
That's right. So, Lily, did you watch an episode last night?
I did. I watched a short episode of Peppa Pig, just like you suggested.
Nice. Did you understand most of it?
About 80%. I used English subtitles. Sometimes I had to pause, but I understood the story.
That's fantastic progress. Did you write down your 5 new words?
Yes, here they are. Puddle, muddy, giggle, jump, and silly.
Great words. Can you make a short sentence with each?
Sure. Peppa jumped in a muddy puddle.
Excellent sentence.
She giggled because it was fun.
Perfect. Keep going.
Daddy Pig looked silly with mud on his face.
Wonderful. See? You're learning real vocabulary from real situations.
It's fun. And when I said the words out loud, it helped me remember them better.
Exactly. Repeating out loud makes your pronunciation stronger.
Sometimes I even shadowed Peppa's voice. I spoke along at the same time.
That's amazing. That's called shadowing. It's one of the best techniques for fluency.
It was hard at first, but after a few minutes, I started to keep up.
That's progress. Remember, progress is more important than perfection.
You're right. I'm beginning to enjoy learning more now that it's fun.
That's the secret. When learning feels enjoyable, your brain learns faster.
What about using music, Peter? Can that help too?
Definitely. Singing English songs improves rhythm and pronunciation. Plus, you'll remember words through melody.
I love English songs. I think I'll start with something simple, like Count on Me by Bruno Mars.
Perfect choice. Slow, clear lyrics. Great for practice.
Should I write down new words from songs too?
Yes. You can treat songs the same way you treat TV shows. Choose a few new words or expressions and make sentences.
That sounds fun. It's like turning my playlist into a lesson.
Exactly. And you can sing along. It boosts your confidence and pronunciation.
I'll do that. Okay, so now we have TV shows, subtitles, 5 new words, repeating sentences, and songs.
Right. And don't forget, talk to yourself in English sometimes.
Talk to myself?
Yes, describe what you're doing. I'm cooking, I'm cleaning, I'm watching TV. It helps you think in English.
That's a great idea. I can practice even when I'm alone.
Exactly, and over time, it will feel more natural.
I'll try that every morning.
Great. And one last piece of advice. Don't fear mistakes.
That's hard. I always feel embarrassed when I say something wrong.
Everyone makes mistakes. Even native speakers do. Mistakes are proof that you're learning.
That's true. I guess the important thing is to keep going.
Yes,
Progress happens one step at a time, like Tom said in the earlier dialogue. Step by step, you'll improve.
I remember that line. It's encouraging. So, Peter, to sum up, what are our top tips for learning English in a fun way?
Number 1, watch short English shows or cartoons.
Number 2, use subtitles first in your language, then in English.
Number 3, choose 5 new words each time.
Number 4, repeat sentences out loud and shadow actors.
Number 5, sing English songs and talk to yourself to practice.
That's a perfect list.
It really is. And if you follow these steps, your English will get better every week.
Thank you, Peter. This episode has been so much fun.
Thank you, Lily. And thank you, dear listeners, for joining us today on Mr. Peter Channel.
We hope you enjoyed it as much as we did.
Remember to subscribe, share this episode, and leave us a comment below.
Yes, tell us, what show or song do you like to use for learning English?
We'd love to read your answers.
Keep learning, keep smiling, and most of all, have fun with English.
That's right. Learning English is a journey, and you're doing great.
Thank you for listening, everyone. We'll see you in the next episode.
Until then, take care and keep practicing.
Bye, everyone.
Bye for now.